Hello everybody. Today let's talk about how to optimize your parameter of your EA. We have talked about how to register EA into the system and how to backtest your strategy and how to run your EA to get the signals. But there is a problem because you don't know how to input correct parameter to set up your EA. For example, if you want to run this EA is based on moving average, and the moving average needs a parameter for the period. So this EA needs period as its parameter. But you don't know which number is correct, 20 or 15 or 25. Every number should be possible. So we need to have some mechanism to calculate and to predict which number is more correct to the current market movement. Maybe 20 is not so compatible with the current market. So we need to calculate and to optimize this parameter first, and then use your EA to generate signals. Fortunately, and Fintechee provides this kind of function, this kind of features. You just need to click this game stick icon and to open the backtesting page, and you can optimize your parameters here. Before you optimize, and you need to choose which EA you want to run. For example, if we choose this EA is based on moving average, and just to keep this parameter default, and we will optimize later, so no need to change the value. And after that, and let's click this play icon and to open the backtesting panel. And the backtesting dialog has two tabs. One is for backtesting and the other one is for optimization. And in the optimization tab, and you can set up the range for the period parameter. And we can use, for example, we can use 1 to 30. And the step as 1 to optimize. And after that, let's choose the period. For example, and we choose May 1st as our optimization period. And actually you can choose any date. And for example, we just use this date. And we use 500, okay? And let's start. The optimization's time would be very long, okay? And now we met some problem, and this error message told us and the number of pending orders and the number of open trades exceeded the limitation, because we set maybe 200 orders or open trades as the limitation, and you cannot open more orders or open more trades. So the two cases violated these rules, so we got these errors. But no problem, and it's just a test case. So, and just tell us, and don't use the 2 cases parameters, because the parameters will lead to errors. So we need to use other optimized values. Don't use the 2 cases. Okay, so it's done. Let's see the result. And because we optimize the value from the range of 1 to 30, so we have 30 cases, and every case has a result. Okay, we can get a list of the results, and the list told us about the profit and how many trades. Now we can find and every result is negative, so seems no good parameter for May 1st, 2019. We need to use other parameters. Okay, so this optimization result told us, and during the period of May 1st, and no parameter from the range of 1 to 30 is compatible with the market movement. So we need to use other strategy, and we need to modify our program's logic. Okay, so this is just an example to tell us how to optimize the parameters of our strategy. So don't worry about the results, and we can write new strategy and to be compatible with the market movement. So no worries. Okay, so today's topic is about how to use optimization function of Fintechee trading platform. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.